What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's me, Mikey Pipes. 8 o'clock on the dot, Tuesday, February 24th, 2026. I'm at my first service call. We have a busted A.O. Smith power vented water heater flooded out from the second floor down to the first floor. I'm here on the dot, but the homeowner's not home yet. We installed it about 3 years ago. So I'm praying, fingers crossed, that maybe it's just a relief valve and the homeowner thinks the tank has failed instead. Let's hope. But remember, ye who hopes dies in despair. You know what I mean? Hard to drive. So let's see what's going on with this tank. Maybe it's not a tank failure. I'd like to be optimistic. Snow, that's for sure.
Seems to be clearing it better than last time.
It's not as cold.
Hey Erwin, it's me.
Not coming down.
Okay, thanks.
Morning.
Morning.
Yeah, sorry.
That's good. That's okay. That's good. Come in.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, my mother's still on the bed.
Should I go here for a second? Is it wet up there or is it dry up there?
No, that's right.
Okay. This door?
Yep.
All right. Is there a light in here?
It's motion sensor. Somewhere up here.
There you go.
No, I just changed the light bulb. Yeah, just turn it on.
I guess the floor drain didn't work, huh? Yeah, everything is saturated in there. Insulation is soaked. Yeah, that would be a tank failure.
I think what we have to do going forward is probably go replace this and then.
All right, let's see if that receipt came in. All right, did you get an email back yet saying thank you for responding?
Let me see. No, not yet.
Just making updates here. Usually takes approximately about 10 minutes to come in. Let's see. Nothing yet. So I've already got the leak check out of the way. So it's not terrible.
That's the water level. It's not a sight glass on a steam boiler.
First call out of the way. So watch for the second email. As soon as you get that second email, that just means we have what was sent in, and you would call back at that time so that we can update it by the date it was installed versus its manufacture date.
All right. You should have gotten that email because it was sent at 8:24.
But did you get an email saying thank you for responding?
No.
It takes about 10 minutes. Once you get that email,
I have to call. I have to call back, or you're going to respond with like an RGA number or something, or.
no, sir. Let me see if anything's came in.
I appreciate
You did
it.
not get an email yet.
Nope. I've got the original email, the proof of purchase request. Downloading one message. Hold on. No. Yep, you got the proof of purchase response received for case number, et cetera, et cetera.
Okay.
Yep.
Checking in came in.
That's the water level. It's not a sight glass on a steam boiler. Ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to believe what transpired. I'm going to tell you that in a minute. But on Monday night, March 9th at 6:30 p.m., I will be in Dayton, Ohio at the Troll Pub, hosting a meet and greet. Come hungry, come thirsty. Monday, March 9th, 2026, Dayton, Ohio, the Troll Pub, 6:30. You best be there. It's going to be fun. Now, see how Homeowner tried to pull a fast one. Maybe, maybe not. Check this out. Guys, you're not going to believe this. And I had a funny feeling something was going on here. The serial number is indicative of a 2019 model water heater. The 3-inch Fernco's on the venting, that's not my style. And venting, the unions? Nah, that's not our install. Definitely not install. So we call up A.O. Smith on the phone. Woman's very nice. She says, yes, and this water heater is 2019, so we need a proof of purchase. And I'm like, I got you. We installed it in 2022. So I send her that invoice that has the model serial number, the proof of purchase of that, and also pictures of the install. We used to use ServicePal for our CRM. Now we use Household Pro, but there's pictures on the invoice. She gets back on the phone and it's like, listen, the model serial number doesn't match what we're looking at right now. It's like, what are you talking about? Like, we put this in. And I'm like, I get the quick thinking. I was like, where did this water heater come from that we're in front of right now? And she tells me. And I was like, I've never, ever, ever, ever purchased from that plumbing supply house. Ever. And I go, do me a favor, tell me where the one of the invoice came from. And they told me it was AF Supply. I was like, there you go. That's the only place we buy A.O. Smith water heaters from, because I love A.O. Smith and I like Claude at Glen Cove AF Kaufman in Glen Cove. So I'm looking at the pictures and like, I'm looking at the homeowner. I was like, the water heater that we installed in this picture does not match the install where we're at right now. I was like, oh, I messed up. You mess up? Like, yeah, no shit. Like, we're not at the location where we put this water heater that you claimed we put in 3 years ago. Oh, that's the fourth floor. I'm like, yeah, that's right, first floor. I didn't put this bad boy in. So all on speakerphone with A.O. Smith, and she's like, well, Mike, I'm glad you got that resolved. Thanks for calling A.O. Smith. Catch you in the next one. I'm like, be well, God bless, stay safe. Damn!